Hello parents, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Vishnu Tejasvi, child nutrition educator. I do talk about child nutrition for the babies between 6 months to 36 months in this channel. So today's topic is strong reasons why babies doesn't gain weight. So this is a common concern for every parent. Unknowingly, many parents does lots of mistakes, especially regarding this weight gain issue. Let's dive into this topic. Reason number one. Some parents would like to start their solid starts journey with their baby at the age of somewhere around 4 to 5 months. And they think that food will give lots of weight gain. So, till then, baby will be on either breast milk or formula milk. On top of that, if they get solids also, their baby will gain a lot. But actually, their digestive system will not be that great. Mostly, they will not accept the solids. So, it is essential for the babies to be on breast milk or formula milk till 6 complete. Baby should not be on solids and also not on water. Reason number 2, giving ragi daily. I know many of you are giving ragi daily because first reason your baby likes ragi a lot, and second thing, ragi will give good weight gain. Am I right? So just think about it. Ragi is a very hard millet. It will have lots of fiber content in it. So every day if you are giving ragi, then the stomach will not be able to digest this high fiber, and then baby reduces the calories in burning this ragi. So if you wanted to include ragi in your baby's diet, just offer weekly twice, not more than that. You have n number of other cereals as well. So like ragi, barley, suji, dalia, poha, quinoa, there are many other cereals which you can include in your baby's diet. So if you add ragi daily, baby will reduce weight, and also that might cause indigestion and many other health problems. Third one, everyday sattu mavu. I know that many of you might have started sattu mavus and then start offering from 6 months plus. And everyday sattu mavu, same concept again, like ragi, like you will add multiple cereals or grains in it and also lots of lentils. So you dry roast it and then blend it and keep it in a jar, so that every time whenever you wanted to start or offer food for your baby, just take few spoons out of it and then cook it with water and then offer. Okay. So what kind of fiber is going inside? It's a high fiber going inside and lots of protein also. So what happens? Again, baby will reduce weight because you're giving too much of fiber every day. Fourth one, offering solids for every 2 hours. You know, some of the parents are more concerned about their baby's weight, and they'll keep a target within a month or two, my baby has to gain 2 to 3 kgs. Okay, so in that case, they try to feed for every 2 hours. So, morning breakfast, then fruit, then milk, then lunch, then fruit again, then snacks, then dinner, again a fruit, and then lots and lots of milk. So, what happens? Stomach will not be able to digest this many meals because there is no proper gap or a proper schedule. So, baby tends to lose weight. Sixth one, introducing animal milk below 1 year. So, buffalo milk will have little bit amount of more fat content when compared to the cow milk. So, most of the parents would try to add this buffalo milk or cow milk in their baby's diet, so that the fat, because of the fat content and protein content in the animal milk, will increase the weight gain for their babies actually. So cow milk or buffalo milk or any animal milk is not recommended for the babies below 1 year because of the high protein content in it and also lots of fat content. Baby will not be able to digest, their stomach will not be able to digest this milk. So, and also that puts pressure on kidneys. So, animal milk is not at all recommended for the babies below 1 year in any form, even in cooking as well. Seventh one, more milk than required. You know, most of the mothers after 1 year, when they start introducing this cow's milk or buffalo milk, I mean animal milk. So when their baby likes this animal milk, they try to add more and more amount of milk in baby's diet. You know, morning 200 ml, afternoon 200 ml, evening 200 ml, and night also 200 ml. So what happens? Eventually, the solid intake will reduce, and also baby will develop some taste preference. So all, and then the baby will completely depend on the milk because they don't have to chew or they don't have to put any effort in drinking the milk. So this also reduces the weight gain because of no proper nutrition is baby getting from the solids. Eighth one, adding sweeteners in baby's diet. So above 1 year, baby can have honey, dates, jaggery, and no sugar for 2 years. That almost everyone knows. But when they got introduced to this kind of sweeteners, it is important to add in moderation. Okay, otherwise baby will start develop this kind of sweet taste preference, and it is difficult for baby to accept the other spices or other taste foods. And also baby will not get right amount of nutrition from the other foods because they'll develop this sweet preference. So within few months baby will start rejecting the other foods and wanted to have only this kind of sweeteners or sweet based food in their diet. Ninth one, biscuits with milk. So out of 10 consultations, at least 3 to 4 moms will address this problem, biscuits with milk. So their grandparents or their elders or the neighbors try to give this biscuits to baby, so they cannot have or they cannot chew, so they dip it in milk or add milk to the biscuit and then try to offer it to the baby. You know what happens? Biscuits are mostly made of maida and refined sugars and some preservatives as well. So you should not at all add this biscuits with milk. So that increases obesity and that kills the baby's appetite because of lots and lots of sugar content in it. So make sure that you are not giving biscuits with milk. 10th one, adding sugar in animal's milk. You know, for the most of the babies, it will be a bit difficult to switch to breast milk or formula milk to cow's milk because it's a new food for them, and also some challenges they face with the taste of the cow's milk. So in that case, just to introduce this kind of milk for their baby, some moms are so worried. So and then they start adding the sugar in the milk and then mix it well and then give. And then baby reduces weight because baby will not be on much solids and baby will mostly ask for animal milk only. I'm sure that you might have got connected to this topic because it's a burning problem in almost every home. So make sure that you are not doing these mistakes, and happy parenting.